Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a veggie pasta, creamy pasta. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a pasta that is creamy. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a creamy pasta from Veggie Bear. So for a pasta in Veggie Bear, I really wanted to make a creamy dressing, but I wanted to make it vegan as well. So I discovered a way to make a creamy sauce without using any animal products. Got some cannellini beans, you can use butter beans as well. So in a blender, they go in there. Some nutritional yeast, so this will give it that cheesy sort of flavor instead of using cheese. Then I'm gonna put some clove of garlic, a bit of salt and pepper. Ooh. And then some almond milk. So you can use milk of your choice or like coconut milk or anything like that, but I'm gonna use almond. So that goes in there and it's easy as that. And then you blend it up and you're gonna pour it over the pasta. So that is done. You can add some fresh herbs in there as well, like parsley or thyme, but I'm just gonna leave it plain. So now we're just gonna leave that on there and we're gonna cook some veggies and then put some pasta through it. This is probably dangerous just seeing how hot it is, but I'm just gonna wait. So some olive oil in the pan. So we're gonna just put a little little liter, whatever you say. Some brown onion in here, so I'm just gonna put that in the pan. So we're gonna cook that for 2 minutes until it becomes translucent. Quick tip here, when you're cooking onion, if you put some salt in there, it cooks faster. Charles, did you know that?
Is that a real fact?
It's a real fact. I don't lie to you, Charles. I would never lie, I don't lie. So that's halfway done. I'm gonna put some mushroom and some broccoli. So again, you can use whatever veg you like, but these are just really easy and I've always got them in the fridge. So we're gonna pop them in there. All right. Okay, so I've turned the heat down. Got some pre-cooked pasta. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that there, pour all of this creamy dressing into here. Cook that off for a couple of seconds, probably 30 seconds or so. We're gonna add a tablespoon of pesto into here. So just to give it extra flavor. Not that much in there. Mix that through. So that's the base of your creamy sort of sauce. And then we're gonna put the cooked pasta, probably put like half of this in there. Easy, easy, easy Veggie Bear meal because you've got your protein from your cannellini beans. You don't need to worry about adding anything extra in there. You've got your broccoli, your mushrooms, pesto for extra flavor. You can season with a little bit of salt and pepper as well if you want some more. And that is literally it. So that took us how long, Charles?
About 5 minutes?
For about 5 minutes. 5-minute meal. So good. So really, really easy weeknight dinner. It's so easy to make. What did I say? So such an easy weeknight dinner. The recipe is in the Veggie Bear guide.